you know, I have love and hate relationship with English language. I can speak it properly, but I also can express myself in my own language, my Hindi, my country's language. Yeah, I speak English, but I also love and respect Hindi very much. So here's a story I want to share with all of you. I accidentally became an online English speaker. Beforehand, when I started this channel, I had decided to make videos in Hindi language about cricket because back then I was very obsessed with sport. So I thought I should share my thoughts with people. But when I tried to speak in Hindi, I got stuck. I couldn't express my ideas and words were not coming out of my mouth smoothly. But I didn't give up. I decided to practice my speaking before starting to record videos. So one day I turned on my camera and started practicing my speaking by talking about my daily life. I started that in Hindi and then I automatically switched into English. Then I realized I'm more smooth in English than in Hindi, even with my improper English. Then I started making English learning videos and also started polishing my English from that day because it was at a basic level and still I'm polishing it because I'm not perfect yet. It needs some even it needs a lot of improvement, right? And throughout the time I noticed very big improvement in me. The way I see things, the way I understand, the way I think and the way I speak. But I don't give entire credit to English language because I don't feel like English is the only thing that helped me to become better. There were a lot of other things that helped me. But yeah, because of English, I've explored new things and ideas, and I think that really helped me to think widely. And I got to know the world better. English is global language because we have social media and most things about the world, people, culture are there in English. Like if you watch Chinese cooking channel, they use English subtitle because they don't speak English as much as we Indians do. And I have watched Chinese travel blog, Japanese travel blog, Korean drama, and in their native language with using English subtitle. And also I have watched some Indian Assamese movies in English. Not only movies, so many other things including people's idea. So English helped me to know even my own people, my country, my culture, its diversity. I got familiar with words like Adam's apple, quantum entanglement, bioluminescent, meditation and manifestation, which I had never heard before. So yeah, I got to know about a lot of things because of English. I learned and explored so many new things. So overall, English helped me to know the world better. And I gathered a lot of information about the world, and that made my thinking more wide. So yeah, English did help me to gather a lot of information about the world. And another very important thing is English broke every barrier between my curiosity and the world. I get to know some very amazing people around the world by watching YouTube channels like TED Talks, and I got the chance to talk with good and great people. So English also helped me to share my experience with the world and exchange my ideas with people. And I learned to develop my understanding by watching people like Jessetti. So English did help me to learn and to know about so many things so far. And here is the most amazing thing about language learning. So just take it as bonus tips. Learning any language is really good to keep your brain alive. So if you have free time, go and learn any language. So learning English can open many doors. But never forget one thing, your ability and your talent don't rely on your English. It helps to some extent, but it's not everything. You can be anyone, you can do anything without having good English speaking skills. except being English teacher and some other jobs that requires English. So I just forgot what this video was about. So that's all for today's video, since I forgot what was the main topic about this video. Actually, my memory is not good. I always forget. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. And yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and also please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next another very interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.